How to make money on TikTok in 2023, opportunities and strategies. Making money on TikTok can be achieved through various methods, from sponsored content to e-commerce. Here are 10 steps to help you explore different ways to generate income on the platform. Create an attractive profile. Have professional-looking profile with a catchy username, clear profile picture, and engaging bio. This will be the first impression you make on followers and collaborators. Choose a niche. Identify a niche or topic that you are passionate about and knowledgeable in. Focusing on a specific niche will help you attract a targeted audience. Produce high-quality content. Create original and engaging videos that showcase your creativity and personality. Use popular TikTok trends and challenges, but add your unique twist to stand out. Consistent posting. Post regularly to keep your audience engaged and increase your visibility in TikTok algorithm. Consider a posting schedule that works, whether it's daily or a few times a week. Grow your followers. Interact with your followers by responding to comments and engaging with their content. Collaboration and duets with other TikTok users can also help grow your follower base. TikTok Live. Go live on TikTok to interact with your audience in real time. You can receive virtual gifts from viewers during live streams, which can be converted into real money. Participate in TikTok Creator Fund. If you meet TikTok's criteria, consider joining the TikTok Creator Fund, which allows you to earn money based on the number of views your videos receive. Brand partnerships. Collaborate with brands that align with you. Reach out to companies for sponsored content. Ensure that the partnership feels genuine and resonates with your audience. Promote affiliate products. Share products related to your niche and use affiliate marketing to earn commissions on sales made through your affiliate links. E-commerce and merchandise. If you have a loyal following, consider merchandise, digital products, or offering services related to your niche. TikTok's Shopify integration makes it easier to set up. Remember that success on TikTok, like any other social media platform, takes time and dedication. It's important to provide value to your audience and maintain authenticity. Stay up to date with TikTok's policies and trends, and be open to trying new ideas and formats to keep your content fresh and engaging. Subscribe for more online money-making tips.